at the news desk.
I'm Tanush Lad.
And I'm Vanya Chadha.
Today, we bring to you some exciting news from the middle school.
The middle school witnessed the much anticipated MYP boot camp that kicked off with an electrifying assembly, setting the stage for an action-packed week ahead. The agenda was packed with excitement, including quizzes on middle school schedule, sports choices and art options. Participants got to experience thrilling sports assemblies, offering a plethora of sports choices, led by our energetic physical education team. Incredible opportunities were unearthed with the Design and Arts by Choice assemblies, offering a variety of choices, including arts, visual arts, music, theatre, dance, and in design, product design and digital design.
Our note-making skills were sharpened in a dynamic workshop with Ms. Shravanti Sen as the students displayed their artistic flair in a dynamic workshop. The students discovered the secrets to success in middle school, including assessments, reporting, and above all, we were briefed about the exciting prospects that waited us in the middle school.
Students and parents came together for an orientation followed by coffee conversations with our form tutors. The boot camp culminated in coffee conversation with parents where open discussions with the form tutors allowed parents to actively engage in their WADS learning journey.
In other news, 5 participants from our school recently participated in the Shalom Presidency Modern United Nations. We are proud to announce that out of the 5 students, 4 of our talented students have been recognized for their outstanding performance. The special mention awards were backed by Anshuman Nagpal and Tanvi Bhardwaj, both in NYP3 and Vanya Chadha in NYP2. Additionally, Nishita Wahi from NYP2 received a verbal mention.
You can overcome anything only and only if you love something enough. The kind of love that Lionel Messi, the legend in the making, World Cup winning team captain of Argentina, describes in the shared code, is perhaps what passion is all about. Passion Projects offers unique opportunities to discover, invent and reinvent topics and practices that ignite interest and enthusiasm.
Sports, cooking, photography, dance, music, theatre, drama, visual art, digital design, product design, history, geography, maths, English, LFL, video editing, life sciences, physical sciences, culture, technology, coding, photo editing, fashion design, graphic design, interior design, banking, farming, scuba diving, exploring ocean, movie director and producer, ice skating, carpenter, economics, architecture, marketing, woodworking, designer, painter, critic, pharmacist, singer, DJ, music producer, and boxing.
The purpose of these projects is not a desired outcome, but the process of learning and evolving as a sensitive, knowledgeable global citizen. Here's looking forward to the works of our young champions of reinvention.
The middle school embraced Spirit Week with a fervor. Day 1, known as Accessory Mania, saw Parfuasians adorning crazy hats, necklaces, and hairstyles. The following day, Shoe Swagger had everyone showcasing their cherished pairs of shoes, exceeding high spirits. Wednesday kicked off with the colored t-shirt extravaganza as students sported diverse colored t-shirts based on their grades. The week culminated with Sparkle and Shade, where spirited Parfuasians sported stylish and shimmering sunglasses, radiating joy with their infectious smile.
Independence Day resonated with fervor and patriotism at Pathways Middle School. The campus bore witness to flag-raising ceremonies, heartwarming speeches, and captivating cultural performances that showcased the unity and dedication of students and teachers alike. This celebration served as a reminder of the sacrifices made by our forefathers and the responsibility of preserving the spirit of independence for generations to come.
Guided by the melody of progress and achievement, the Ramsfire Conference painted a vivid picture of leadership's role in steering the ship of success. Hosted in Sunbeam School, this conference delved into the facets of leadership, nurturing traits that transform dream into reality. With the theme Dream, Believe, Achieve, students from 31 schools united under the ideal pillar of leadership, creating memories that will last a lifetime.
We were thrilled to have hosted an enriching storytelling session on the theme of family and friends. Professor D.K. Pandya, who is a former Pro-Vice Chancellor of Assam Central University, was the guest speaker for the session. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. These words of Margaret Mead resonate with the student-led Smart Goals Conference. We conducted a student-led conference in the last week of August. The virtual conference included interaction with the parents and form tutors, wherein the students of MYP 1 to 3 expressed their SMART goals and their action plans to attain the same. And now, let's turn our attention to our new segment, Panthers Making Us Proud. In this segment, we'll be sharing stories of incredible initiatives and accomplishments of our very own Pathwaysians. Our students are not only learners but also trailblazers in their own right. Anshuman Nagpal showcased his creative prowess at the Women's Listed Bazaar, curating an impressive collection of accessories. These efforts align with his goal of contributing to the betterment of less privileged. Meanwhile, Krish Sopti's thoughtful initiative for Raksha Bandhan showcased his dedication to honoring our brave soldiers who protect our nation's borders.
The Golfing Greens witnessed an outstanding performance by Hidan Bajaj in the esteemed Delhi NCR Cup 2023 Junior Golf Tournament. Hidan clinched the third rank in Category C. His dedication and prowess shone brightly in a field of nearly 200 participants from across Delhi NCR. Vriti Verma's achievements have shown a spotlight on her school as she secured a coveted spot among the top 12 finalists nationwide in the Collins Spelling Bee competition. Her exceptional performance has earned her a place in the final round of the Spelling Bee competition. The Spanish Olympiad India is an annual competition that celebrates linguistic and cultural excellence, inviting students to explore the beauty of the Spanish language and its rich heritage. Through engaging challenges and activities, participants deepen their understanding of Spanish while fostering cross-cultural connections. The following students have secured first, second and third position respectively in the Olympiad. Rubab Bhatia and Riyan Laha secured the first position. Ruhani Bhatia and Arika Srivastav secured the second position. And Tanay Rao and Naman Kapoor secured the third position. Congratulations to these remarkable students for their achievements. We wish them continued success. That's all we have for you this month.
Stay tuned for more updates.